Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can go to the settings. Let's tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. And here we have to localize the timer, so let's tap. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Just mark the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is notified right here, so we can go back to the camera. What is more, in the shutter button you can see this this timer icon, which means it indicates that you've got the timer, so you will not be surprised. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button now, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can of course turn off the timer the same way, so let's enter the settings again, scroll to find the timer and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.